What's up, everybody? This week at Sideways, we're going to be getting Eddie's car on the dyno and finishing out of here. A lot of stuff and a lot of work's gone into this since the last two videos that we posted about the Supras. There's one of three went ahead and left, and now there's going to be two of three leaving. Emax's car is right here. He's gotten a lot of stuff done too, but we're not going to be talking about that car this week. So this car now has the comp turbo installed, the cams installed, all the seals have been done. I mean, it just looks phenomenal. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera right now and go ahead and get into it. We still need to go ahead and install the wiring harness, get the battery put in the back, put the new, brand new extended, like custom built throttle cable in that we went ahead and built. And I mean, pretty much besides that, it's gonna be base mapping, getting it started up and on dyno on Friday, and then on to pops and bangs and T-step and anti like we all love. So let's get it. Got that brand new comp turbo 6865 with the 81 AR on that thing. Intake manifolds all bolted down with the FID 1300s on here already. Regulators done and mounted. I mean, intercooler piping is done. Bumpers on. I mean, it's just looks so good. The flake on the valve cover just came out phenomenal. I'm just super, super happy with this. So I hope you guys can see all the little small details, but this is gonna be awesome. The customer's going for, he says 650, but we'll have to just see kind of how it all ends up turning out on the dyno. On non-Vvti, it should be pretty easy to hit that number. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it and get this thing done. So one little thing, I wanted to go ahead and show this off to everybody. It's something super, super cool and super awesome for the customer. We ended up getting one of these one-piece Black Edition Apex N1 exhausts that aren't made anymore. They've been discontinued for a long time. We ended up finding it in the back when we were at dyno with Drew's car about a few weeks ago, and the owners had said that they sold it for about 50% off because it wasn't in inventory. So we got a super, super killer deal on this. These exhausts retail for about $900 to $1,200, and they are discontinued as well. So brand new in box. I'm really, really excited about opening it and showing you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera right now. Look at this box, dude. This is so cool. So check this out. You got the gaskets. You got the all black piping. I'm not gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging because I obviously want the customer to see it before I do this. He's gonna be coming by in the morning and check everything out. He hasn't even seen or really heard anything about this. I'm kind of surprising him with kind of a freebie because, you know, we like to give our customers lots of love. So, but check out this tip and the welding on this thing. It is just beautiful. Look at that. Anybody who doesn't know who Apexi is, you guys need to learn something and go to school. So this thing is just beautiful. I cannot wait to put it on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around again and show you what's going on with the Supra. So it is pretty late at night, it's about 11 p.m. We're still here working on the car. Danny's on his way right now to go ahead and come over here so we can base map this thing and get it running. I mean, it is just done. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera again. Sorry to keep going back and forth, but it looks way better than the other way on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything finished product. I'll talk about it really quickly for you so that I don't need to really talk over the shots that I'm gonna be getting right now. But basically, wiring harness is all installed, turbo kit's been finished for a while, anti-manifold's all torqued down, battery's already been relocated to the trunk, the fuel pump relay system that I actually wire for my customers, I'm gonna show you guys as well. I do a twin and triple system that is kind of similar to the Powerhouse Racing setup, but I wire it all up myself and make it kind of my own little twist on it. When I'm building the harnesses, I will actually integrate like a 2 and 3 pin connector where we can put them wired directly to the ECU already. So it's just like super nice the way that I do it for all the customer stuff and for everything that we build. It's just very, very straightforward, super, super easy to use, like quick disconnect for everything. And I mean, it just looks like, look at that. That just looks like money, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it right now so I can show you guys all the goodies, and we're gonna be starting it up tonight. Quick update on Emax's Supra. I just wanted to show you real quickly the wiring harnesses that I build and kind of how it all works out. So here is going to be the fuel pump relay system that I end up kind of putting together, and it's just going to have twin relays with, you know, this is for twin pumps. So twin relays with twin fusible links, you know what I mean, where you can go ahead and hook it up directly to the battery if you're gonna have it in the front or in the rear. In this case, it's gonna go ahead and be in the rear. And as you can see, since there's gonna be twin pumps, we're gonna have, you know, a twin connector with, you know, 2 pins, which is just gonna be your output to the ECU for the fuel pump. So what's gonna happen is over here, obviously, I moved the igniter into the car. You got all your OEM connectors. You got your AEM net connector for, you know, your CAN system and all the other good stuff. And then obviously your Infinity connector to plug directly into your Aem Infinity, and it'll just plug right in and boom, you're done. But it's just like seriously just as easy as connecting the fuel pump wiring I have here to your fuel pump sub harness that's over there. And it's just like, oh, clip, okay, we're done. So just so everybody can kind of see like what you're gonna get for the money that you pay. I mean, that's it right there, man. So this car's next in line. I'm not gonna go about this car too much because we're like nowhere near done. But I mean, maybe a week or two we'll be done. And you know, another really, really cool Supra to be able to get done and back on the road. So let's get it. So we're on our way to Dyno and the right hand. Just chilling. Sun's coming out. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. Right hand drive is so cool, dude. It's just like everyone driving by you looks at you like WTF, bro. You know what I mean? Just so excited about today. It's gonna be an awesome day. Let's get it. So we're here at Apexi USA. Car's already on the dyno. We're gonna go ahead and start rolling right now, doing the 91 tune. Looking for probably 350, maybe 400 horsepower on 91. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the E85 changeover, and I guess we'll see what it does. So stay with me. So we got Mr. Eddie over here filling up the Go Juice in this Mark IV. Got that E85 in there. I wouldn't do that. So we just made a 470 horsepower at 16 pounds on 91. I guess we'll see what she does on E85. The goal initially was 600 horsepower, 650. So let's see if we can hit it. So early day today, but we are done. You can see the numbers there. 633 horsepower with 500 torque. I want to show off Danny's badass graph of this whole entire thing right here. Look at that. 633 horsepower with about 500 torque. Look at that. 18, 20, and 22 pounds. That is just beautiful. So this is going to go ahead and conclude our video. Everything went exactly how we wanted. Super smooth, great day. Customer super ecstatic. Thank you for watching, and on to the next.